You guys, no way.
White flag is out.
Luke's got Larry number 4 right behind him. That's the kid that passed Luke on the last turn last week. Good news everybody, it's time for another video, and good news, it is a race video. We're on our way to Portland International Raceway. It is the last race of the season. It's a one moto format and it's a little bit rainy today. See, look at these guys.
Yo, good.
See, they're doing it's their fault. They're doing a rain dance and now it's raining. We're hoping it clears up a little bit, but unfortunately the track's probably gonna be a little wet, a little bit muddy, but we've got some redemption to do because we raced last week. Kind of didn't have the best week. Luke got stuck in a couple ruts a couple times, which is excusable because it was ruddy. But what is not excusable is he slowed up on the last lap and let Larry number 4 by. Hold him off anyways, Luke. Come on, buddy. Oh, that was a close finish. We're really upset about that. Lucas, listen to me. Listen to me very closely. This week, I do not want you letting Larry number 4 by on the last jump. I don't want you letting Larry number 4 by on the last turn. I don't want you letting Larry number 4 by on the last lap. In fact, how about this? I just don't want you letting Larry number 4 by. Okay? Okay. Good deal. Glad we got that out of the way. The other problem we have to address is that Mason doesn't have a 50 to race in the 50 class. So we've got one stop to make real quick.
Are we getting in the 50?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Guys, well, let's talk about this bike right here for a second. It's a Bellini 50. It's Calvin Pearson's old race bike. He's a local Fast 65 rider, and we bought it from his grandfather for 500 bucks. Why did we do that? I know everyone's gonna be like, why'd you buy an old Bellini? They don't make them anymore. It's gonna be hard to find parts. Because it was 500 bucks. That's why. Mason hasn't had a 50 to ride. He's been riding the 65 class. He's been doing pretty good, but I mean, he hasn't been competitive, but he's still doing good, and he's been riding the back of the pack and having fun, which is fine. But this is the last race of the year. I really wanted him to be able to ride the 50 class, and I look at it this way. I don't have money to buy a KTM 50 right now. Hopefully in a few months, this bike could just tide us over for a few months until we can get a KTM 50. He could ride this and get comfortable on a 2-stroke again. He's been doing really good on the 90. He's been tearing it up. He's very comfortable. And here's what I'm thinking this time. This time what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep both bikes. We're gonna keep the 90 and we're gonna keep the 50 and have them go back and forth. So that way, the comfort that he has on the 4-stroke, hopefully he won't lose it. That's our plan this time.
For 500.
Look out, dude.
With practice out here, put the one moto format. We are opting to go with a one moto format.
So, buddy. Whoa! Mason, come here! Dude, go a little slower, like don't give it quite as much gas. So when the front end starts coming up, let go of the gas or hit the back brake. If you're gonna get on the gas, make sure you're leaning forward, okay? Try. Yeah. Yeah, it's a Lambo. Okay, do you want to practice and start? You ready? Go! Yeah, it's tricky, huh? You gotta do the foot brake, not the peg. It may be old, but it's quick. Mason, what do you think, buddy? That thing looks perfect for you. It's a good size, it's a great suspension, it's quick. You're comfortable racing it tonight?
Yeah.
Sweet! Guys, I gotta admit, I'm a little bit nervous. I'm excited. I think this bike's gonna be really good for Mason. I think it's a good fit. I think he's gonna have a lot of fun. It's also got a lot of power, so he's used to a 4-stroke where he could just pin the throttle and go. This will be a little bit different for him. We'll see how he does. It'll be his first time jumping the bike if he jumps. No, I guess not yet. So far so good, guys. I know he's just kind of taking it easy out there right now, which I'm totally fine with. I want him to just kind of get used to the bike, not crash, and get more comfortable with it. That's really all I want right now. But I can tell you this, at this point, his lap time would definitely be faster on his TTR 90 for now. Once he gets used to this power, I think he's gonna tear it up on this thing. How you doing? Oh, nice pass, 413. Good job, Mason! Woo! Good job, Mason! I'm proud of you, buddy.
I'm not that on the bike, I only passed a couple of kids.
You passed a couple of kids? That's okay. Mason, did you like the suspension? It's a lot softer than the TTR, huh? It should be a lot easier for you to jump.
I hope it doesn't fall off.
That's sick.
I know.
So like put it like right here.
Yeah.
Stop moving your head, buddy. Bad news is we broke the housing on the GoPro so that we couldn't get it on Luke's helmet in time. Good news is I have some electrical tape, so hopefully as long as he doesn't fall, it should stay on. You guys, no way.
White flag is out.
Luke's got Larry number 4 right behind him. Are you kidding me? That's the kid that passed Luke on the last turn last week. Hold him off, Luke. Yeah! Smart kid. That was literally a last second effort to try to get his helmet going. Okay guys, we got this swivel one, so it should work for Mason. Hopefully we have better luck this time. Mason, you gotta go line up, buddy.
Oh, crap, why did I take it off?
I don't know, why'd you take your gloves off? Hopefully that stays still. All right, there's your bike, go line up. Why are you looking back, Mason? Mason's doing good. I think he's probably tired. He literally just did a moto with a 65 class, had about a 10-minute rest, and now he's doing another 6 laps or whatever it is. Yeah, he looks tired. Come on, get after it, buddy. One more lap.
Good job, Mason.
Mason, good job. How did you like your new bike? You like it?
Yeah, I don't really jump on it that much.
Well, you can get better at jumping on it, but I think you did exactly what you were supposed to do. Just get comfortable on it and learn how to ride it.
And go fast.
That was great, buddy. Good job.
Dad, my favorite loves me.
Your favorite loves you? Apparently falling on the first lap was not a good strategy for Luke this time because he got 6th. Just barely missed the trophy, son. Luke, why are you so skinny? You need to eat more.
Yeah, I just ate, so my abs look
You need more ice cream like me.
Okay.
What a stud, even after extra
laps,
laps, he lost 4.
and you guys are the best. And